Admittedly, he visited the spot after more than 1.5 days of the incident, and the place of recovery of crime empties is a thoroughfare full stop. Hence, it seems not plausible that the crime empties remained laying at the spot, which were not taken into notice by police on 1/11/2017, and nobody removed the same in spite of free public movement full stop. Prosecution also produced PW5, who deposed that on 2/11/2017 Nasir Ahmed, ASI, handed over to him two sealed parcels said to contain blood-stained cotton and crime empties of pistol 30 bore, which he kept the same in safe custody in Malkhana, and on 8/12/2017 he handed over the above said parcel to ASI for depositing the same in the office of PFSA full stop. In the wake of this fact, the positive report received from the PFSA is of no use to the prosecution because the chain of safe custody is missing, which creates serious doubt about the recovery of the 30 bore pistol alleged to be used as a weapon at the crime scene full stop. New paragraph. As regards the alleged recovery of a Kalashnikov from the appellant's custody during the investigation and its subsequent matching with some crime empties secured from the place of occurrence, suffice it to observe that DSP, the investigating officer, had divulged before the trial court that the recoveries relied upon in this case had been affected by inspector in an earlier case, and thus the said recoveries had no relevance to the criminal case in hand full stop. Apart from that, safe custody of the recovered weapon and its safe transmission to the forensic science laboratory had never been proved by the prosecution before the trial court through production of any witness concerned with such custody and transmission full stop. New paragraph. The concept of benefit of doubt to an accused person is deep rooted in our country full stop. For giving him benefit of doubt, it is not necessary that there should be many circumstances creating doubts full stop. If there is a circumstance which creates reasonable doubt in a prudent mind about the guilt of the accused, then the accused will be entitled to the benefit not as a matter of grace and concession but as a matter of right. For the reasons mentioned herein above, we allow criminal appeal number 67614/2019 while giving benefit of doubt in favor of appellant, set aside his conviction and sentence, and as a necessary corollary he stands acquitted of the charge full stop. He shall be released forthwith if not required to be detained in any other criminal case full stop.